This is an American song, copyright 1940. It's a great song. I've changed the words a bit. It's called "Oh Playmate." Oh, playmate, come out and play with me, and bring your dollies 3. Climb up my apple tree, swing on my swing set, come knock upon my door, and we'll be jolly friends forevermore. And her friend answers, I'm sorry, playmate, I cannot play with you. My dolly has the flu. Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Can't swing on your swing set, can't knock upon your door, but we'll be jolly friends forevermore. And of course we do hand movements with it. It's a really fun song. Hope you can use it.